First in line, mastering English ordinal numbers for ranking and positions. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning journey. Today, we're going to dive into a fascinating aspect of the English language, ordinal numbers, particularly from the 21st to the 100th, and how we use these numbers in everyday situations to express ranking and positions. So, let's get started. Ordinal numbers are numbers that tell us about an object's position in a series. These numbers include terms like first, second, third, and so on. As we've already learned about ordinal numbers from 1st to 20th in previous lessons, we will now focus on ordinal numbers from the 21st to the 100th. Just a reminder, for most numbers, we simply add th to the end of the cardinal number. For example, 25 becomes 25th, and 72 becomes 72nd. Now, onto the main focus of today's video. We frequently use ordinal numbers in rankings. For instance, if you're watching a race, the person who finishes first is the winner. The person who finishes next is in second place, followed by third place, and so on. Here's a practical sentence. In the 100-meter sprint, John came in 25th. In this sentence, 25th is the ordinal number that tells us about John's position in the race. Other than rankings in a race or a competition, we also use ordinal numbers to describe positions in a variety of contexts. For example, in terms of birthdays, we might say, "This is her 21st birthday," or in terms of anniversaries, we might say, "This is their 50th wedding anniversary." In these sentences, 21st and 50th describe the position of the current birthday or anniversary in the sequence of all birthdays or anniversaries that have been celebrated before. Now, let's put your knowledge to the test. Try to create sentences of your own that use ordinal numbers, and see how they can represent both ranking and positions in different contexts. It's through this practice that we make progress, so don't shy away from making mistakes. And that's a wrap on today's lesson. Remember, the more you practice, the better you'll get at using ordinal numbers. I hope this video was informative and helpful. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep practicing and keep learning. Goodbye, and take care.